Welcome back everybody to Holman's Homestead. Welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be joining in on Debbie's Kitchen's first day of summer collab. I'll have all of Debbie's information in the description. Go check her channel out. Great channel, lots of good recipes, grocery hauls. We are going to be making, for the summer collab, Lemony chicken thighs. And also Daniel, he's going to be making a summer drink. What you're going to need, you need to think ahead on this one. You need to marinate this for like 4 to 8 hours. We're going to need 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, about 3 pounds. You're going to need 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice from 2 lemons, and the other 2 lemons will be slicing. You need 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. You'll need 6 cloves of garlic and some salt and pepper. Let's get started on the marinade. Okay, first we're going to make the marinade. I'm going to put in my lemon juice. I fresh squeezed that. It took me 3 lemons to make 1/3 cup. You want 1/3 cup of lemon juice. I'm going to put in my oil. Then I'm going to add my oregano and stir that up. And my salt and pepper, it says to season, so I'm thinking maybe a teaspoon each. Stir that. Now this says to add the chicken and garlic, but what I've done is I've put mine in a Ziploc bag, put all the garlic, or the chicken, sorry, and then I'm going to add the garlic. Then pour the marinade in. And then I'm just going to move this around, try to coat every piece. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for 4 to 8 hours. And then we'll be back when it's time to cook. Okay, my chicken's been marinating all day. Next thing you need to do is set your oven to 375, and we're going to take our chicken out. I've got my cast iron heating up on medium. It says any oven proof skillet. So we're going to put this in the skillet skin side down. And it says for 9 to 10 minutes. It doesn't say to, it says to do it in batches, but this may fit. So we want to start it. No, it's not going to fit. I'll have to do it in 2 batches. So I'm going to put this in skin side down and cook it for like 9 minutes. Take this out and do the rest. And then we'll be back. Also, you need to save your marinade. Actually, this is going to fit. I'm going to cook it all. Probably supposed to have a little bit of room, but we're just going to do it that way. I'm going to save my marinade for the next step. Okay, I've got them all seared and I flipped them back over, skin side up. I'm going to take the rest of my marinade, pour it in. Garlic. Turn this off. Put your orange lemon slices on. You're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for around 30 minutes or until it's 165. We'll be back whenever it's done. Here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up here in just a little bit. Now Daniel's going to show you a summer drink.
Alrighty folks, I'm going to fix my summer drink here. It's called Ocean Water. What you'll need is some 7-Up, some blue fruit punch, some lime juice. It said sweetened lime juice, but we couldn't find any, so we're just going to use lime juice, pineapple juice, 1 lime for making little wedges, and some Swedish fish. Alright, let's get started and fix it. Alright, we're going to take our blue fruit punch, almost said lime juice. I'm going to do 3 ounces. Hopefully I get a good pour. Let me make sure. Okay. Uh-oh. Hard to handle. Okay, 3 ounces. Let me wipe that up real quick before Mom notices. Okay. Got our fruit punch. Now, 2 ounces of 7-Up. Maybe a little. There we go. Okay. 2 ounces. Okay, it says 2 teaspoons of sweetened lime juice. Get a little teaspoon out here. It's a 1/4. There's a half. I'll just do 2 of them. Well, 4 altogether. Alright, there's 2 of them. I was looking at my recipe here. I think we're going to go ahead and double it. So we'll put all together 6 ounces of blue fruit punch and 4 ounces of 7-Up. And all together we'll do 4 teaspoons of lime juice. The recipe will be down in the description below. Okay, that got my lime juice. Let me go ahead and do my pineapple juice. That way I don't get sidetracked. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. But yeah, me and Mom both here was looking there. We're definitely going to have to double it. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. And there's 2. Okay. Now, let me do my 7-Up again. Do 2 ounces again, be 4 altogether. Yep. Try to get a better pour this time. Still made a little bit of a mess. It's okay. I'll clean it up before Mom notices. Okay. Alright. Now, we doubled it, and this is a 16-ounce mason jar. You don't have to be exact. You can put in just a little bit of whatever you want to. This is like a kid-friendly drink for summer. I think it'll be good. We'll have Dad taste it here whenever he gets home. But there's our little Swedish fish. It goes on top. And then let me get a knife here and I'll put my lime on top. Alright, got it garnished up here. Boxes falling in the background. And there's our drink. Like I said, whenever Dad gets home here, we'll have him taste test it there along with the chicken. We'll see you here in just a few minutes.
Okay, everybody, here it is, plated up. Let's have Doug give it a try.
Alrighty. It's good.
Now try Daniel's drink.
Alright, let me grab me a fork. That mustard greens?
Yep, that's from our garden.
Alright.
It's got vinegar in it.
That's good.
Now the drink.
Okay. Pretty good. I could use just a little bit more sugar in mine, I believe, but it's good.
Alrighty.
It's tart.
Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank Debbie for having a collaboration. I'll have all her information below. Go and check out the other videos. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us. Happy summer.